Hello, my name is Jerica Castellanos. This evidence 5, Didium presenting oral a business process improvement plan. Introduction. All organization at some point are going to present difficulties, and it is something natural that has always arise, and so really it will continue to occur. The important thing is really to prevent the same problems from recurring again and again. That is why it is important to develop an improvement plan that allows evaluation those difficulties that arose and one time determine to establish corrective action to correct novelty in the present and action preventive measures to prevent future recurrence. In this document, we will show how we can generate a plan that allows us to generate these actions. The objectives: promote the best products and service, participation of the employees, rational cost reduction, implementation of best practice consistence the product. Improvement plan. Every organization is exposed to problems in the proper function of the process. That is why it is important to establish systems that allows continuous and constant improvement. In the evidence, when we could show that there were some problems since there is no system that allows to manage news to avoid their recurrence in the future. The plan consists of the development of an improvement system used by organization to ensure the closure of circles. The methodology consists of identifying the root cause of a problem. Based on this, a plan is established that allows the cycle to be closed. First, a planning of the corrective process must be carried out and preventive to be carried out. Subsequently, the plans established above must be implemented. After executing the plan made, a measurement must be made to determine if the plan has met in this objective. And if new action must be established based on the finding of the new audit, the act placed in final activity, that is, in which corrective and preventive action are established that allow the improvement of the process. After this, the cycle begins again. This methodology of continuous improvement is known as the PHWA cycle. Plan do verify, as indicated at the beginning of the document, is a methodology that has turned out to be very efficient and is applied by many companies globally. Conclusions. The functioning of an organization requires the articulation of different departments that must work in a coordinated manner to achieve the overall result objective of the organization. However, it is natural that problems of different origin and characteristics arise. In this document, we can evidence the proposal of an improvement plan based on annual methodology used by different organizations. Since the problem is effectiveness is at the PHWA cycle, a cycle that will allow through the implementation of 4 basic steps efficiently articulate an organization and achieve continuing process improvement. Thank you.